Tala. Tumunog na. We are in San Francisco now.
Take exit 432, Cesar Chavez Street, Potrero Avenue.
Kumana ka na, kumana. 1.2 miles. Exit Cesar Chavez Street. 1.1. Ini-strengthen nila yung mga, ano, yung bubagsak dati yan. Yung columns na yan. Yeah, I noticed that the columns are now strengthened because of the previous earthquakes.
Oh, this has been strengthened. Huh?
Yeah, look at the different supports.
Retrofit, no?
Retrofit, yeah. Except they're using round columns, which is still a bad design. Normally, it should be like hexagon columns.
Yeah, saan ba tayo? Nasaan na tayo eh?
We're on 101.
In half a mile.
Nasa 101.
101, yeah.
Mga ilan minutes pa?
24 minutes.
24 minutes.
24 na lang daw.
Yeah.
Oo, sorry. Kasi kanina, akala namin 10 lang. We're supposed to be 10 minutes away from your hotel. But, yung sa Waze, sabi 30 minutes.
Ano nalala ko Baguio?
Yeah. Pero, we're gonna, well, let's eat sa
nagkakapag.
Exit
Siguro yung
right
traffic.
to exit 432.
Kumana ka na.
Cesar Chavez
Exit
Street,
out tayo.
Potrero Avenue.
Exit na tayo, Bobot. Exit na tayo dito.
Sorry.
Cesar Chavez na yan.
Kung anong gusto mo, ikaw daw mamili. You
Wala
choose
na.
lang.
Makapasok ka? We're in Potrero Street.
And I don't need your phone na.
Nakakalit.
Ang gulo, naguguluhan ako.
Pag nakakita ka ng slum area, yun ang tirahin.
Go. Let's ka lang.
We're not port.
Tawagan ko siya pag malapit na tayo.
18 minutes to go pa. 18 minutes to go.
May mga ano dito.
Straight?
Go straight. 0.8 miles. Yeah.
0.8?
Yeah. Keep going straight. Then we turn left on Hayes Street.
Hayes Street?
Yep. Going straight.
Taxi,
Yeah.
maganda yun.
Dapat na video ko yun.
Okay.
Way masayang yan.
Maghanap pa tayo. Ayun!
0.7. Relax ka lang.
Ito. Lock yung door, ha?
Yeah, it's locked.
Lock.
I'm inviting the homeless. Yeah. This is the Trader Joe's.
Iba yung traders nila, no?
Saan?
Oh, sweet.
Puro LGBT flag dito ba?
Harry's Restaurant.
Market Street.
Go. Tinamin ka na.
Oh, marami daw restos across the street.
Sa kanya?
Ayun pala din.
Anong street na tayo?
Vanish eh. Pero
Nasa Van Ness tayo. Van Ness and McAllister. And corner McAllister.
Hindi, pero pinababalik tayo ron eh.
Ito, right turn daw tayo sa Broadway in 1.1 miles.
I don't know kung meron siyang ano.
This is the Waymo taxi. This is the Waymo taxi. Driverless car. In 0.8 miles, turn right on Broadway. Tandaan mo, walang driver yan. Kapag binangga ka, sorry na lang ha.
Nakuha na mo yan?
Nakuha ko.
I'm hungry na.
Ganun ba?
You're not?
Yeah.
Nakatayo na, no?
Eto na. Paglagpas mo ng light, bumasina ka na.
Ayan na siya. Ay, visit naman.
Oh, there's a Waymo taxi there.
Kawawa naman yung tao.
Eh, kanina pa pala siya nakatayo.
Park there and then...
Video. Kumaway pa ako sa tao. Nakaasar pa ako eh. Kaya ba nagbibideo ko? Kinawayan ko ba sila eh? We're gonna eat in some kind of Italian restaurant. We're gonna find something here. There's a actually triathlon tomorrow, so a lot of streets will be closed, so it's better to just find food around the hotel here.
Yeah, you can pick up the 12. So.
And then 3.
We're eating in a Japanese restaurant here.
And then 3. What else? What do you think?
Ito maganda ang video yan.
Maganda nga, downhill na.
Ito yung habulan ng Steve McQueen.
Dito nga, totoo, dito naalala ko to.
Yun,
Di ba pag bumabagsak siya, tumatama yung ano niya?
yeah.
Lumilipad yung kanyang hood eh.
Okay.
Nasa Nob Hill ba tayo ngayon?
We're coming from Nob Hill.
Okay.
So we're going to the marina.
Pero sure ka ito yung Steve McQueen?
Yeah, one of these sites. We're going to the marina. That's where the fisherman's wharf over there.
Okay.
To the right is actually we're in Russian Hill right now. Okay. We're in Russian Hill. Stop.
This is the Ghirardelli chocolate. There we're going up. Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna video the the ducks here.
McCormick and Schmitz pa yun.
Ano kukunin natin dito?
It's ice cream.
Ito! Merong ice cream oh. Iba-ibang ice cream nila. Ito, nag-record na. Ang ganda pala, no?
Ikaw ba nahihiya?
Mahiyain ako eh.
Sir, tumitira ka?
Hindi. Ay, nakuno ko yung way mo nag-turn, no? Sino right? May stop tayo eh.
4-way stop. Relax ka lang.
Tama kayo, 4-way stop, tama. Hintayin natin sila. Okay, tayo na siguro. Tayo na. Ano to? Supercar? Ano? Ay, iba pala. Supercar, ang tanga ko talaga.
Ikaw nga sir to, bibidyo mo.
Mga pala na.
Sir, video. Sir.
The Golden Gate.
So are you there?
We're entering the Golden Gate Bridge. Here we go.
Tuloy-tuloy lang sir.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Don't stop. Huh?
Oh, there it is, yeah.
Sir, don't stop. Tuloy-tuloy.
Nasa kanan yung Golden Gate. Kukurbada pa tayo. Yun yung parking. Kung gusto mo maglakad, pa-park ka doon. Bayad na yata tayo eh.
Yeah.
Pabalik pa na.
Sorry, there's here. Tuloy mo lang ha.
Kaya mo mag-drive ba?
Sorry, ito na sir.
Ito, dumarating na eh. Wala ngang bayad, pabalik yan.
Your destination will be on your left. In 1,000 feet.
Sorry, there's here.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
On your left, nasa gitna natin yung Golden Gate eh. Ang katawa. Stupid. Too bad it's too dark right now. Would have been better if there was light. More light. Nandun ba yung Oakland sa kanan o sa kaliwa? Dito yata, ano?
Kunin mo yung wood. Kakal.
Wala na, dark na nakikita eh.
It's okay.
Mabuti nga may light na konti. Kung walang light, mas mahirap eh.
Sir, tuloy mo lang sir. We're crossing the Golden Gate.
Pero makukross mo to, ang layo niyan. Kaya, nalalakad ba to?
2 miles. We did that with Tony before. 2000.
Pero ginawa ba natin back and forth?
Yeah, 1992. Back and forth. Yeah, we did 2 miles.
Bata pa ako nun eh. Kaya-kaya ko eh. Magbata ka, magagawa mo. 2 miles, sarap ako. Pero yung ginagawa ni Jerome, ang hirap talaga, di ba? Kita mo?
Yeah.
Tumatakbo pa siya eh. Triathlon eh.
So, sir, stop
Ito nag-stop na. Stop ka na?
Stop na.
Dito yung parking, di ba? Para maglakad, di ba?
Vista Point.
Ay, nakita ko na Vista Point.
Landscape si Dart.
Yeah.
Landscape ka ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Wag portrait, landscape. Vista Point
Ay, ito yung Vista Point, nakita ko na.
Bukas kaya yan?
Mas maganda kay Jojo.
Ba't gusto mag-park?
Walang
Tingnan
glass.
natin kung bukas.
Ikaw, bahala ka, pumasok ka.
We'll see.
Ito na, lalabas ka na.
Bukas ba?
Don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Pag-alam mo lang. Parang ano eh.
Parang sarado, no?
Diretso ko lang. Wala ka mag-U-turn ka? Parang wala, no? Nasaan yung Vista? One way lang daw eh. Meron. Bukas siya.
Tingnan natin, sige.
May mga nakapark eh. Yeah. This is the Vista Point where people park to walk across the Golden Gate Bridge. That's the Golden Gate Bridge there.
To the right.
Yeah, to the right here. Yeah. And we should see the Oakland Bay Bridge around this direction also. Hold on. Okay, here, around here maybe. We'll see it. Yeah, I see. I think I see it. Yeah, Oakland. It's too dark. Yeah, we'll just park here.
Okay, I'll stay here, Ed.
Ako na mag-continue.
Okay. And then over the distance, that's Oakland, city of Oakland. This is the Golden Gate Bridge again. We park. So we're going back to the hotel, okay? And we're traveling back the other direction. Going back to the airport road.
Sir, tuloy mo sir at video, sir.